Historic milestone has been reached in the ongoing mission to protect the dignity, rights, and legacy of verified freedmen families. The Freedmen Reparations Fund Trust has formally signed and notarized a declaration establishing legal protections for verified freedmen children and families facing unjust intervention from Child Protective Services, CPS. This declaration introduces a private jurisdiction opt-in mechanism that mirrors the protections extended to Native American families under the Indian Child Welfare Act, ICWA. But unlike ICWA, this framework is trust-governed and status-based, meaning it applies specifically and exclusively to those verified through the Freedmen Nation system. Why this matters? Too often, our families are subjected to biased investigations, wrongful separations, and cultural erasure at the hands of CPS. With this declaration, verified freedmen families now have a documented layer of protection. It creates a legal basis for advocacy, support, and challenge, especially in cases involving racial bias, economic profiling, or historical disenfranchisement. This is not a challenge to government authority. It is an assertion of private legal standing for those who have chosen to enter into jurisdiction with the Freedmen Reparations Fund Trust. Similar to tribal jurisdiction, this mechanism is lawful, enforceable, and rooted in the foundational rights of self-governing people. What the Declaration does affirms the legal standing of the trust to protect its verified members, establishes an opt-in system for verified freedmen families, creates a documentation trail that can be submitted to courts in CPS disputes, reinforces that cultural and historical status must be considered in child welfare decisions. This move marks a new chapter in protecting our children, not just from today's injustices, but from the generational trauma caused by forced separations and family breakdowns. Next steps. Families who are not yet verified are encouraged to complete the verification process at www.freedmennation.org/view.freedmennation.org. Once verified, they will be eligible to opt into this protective framework and receive trust-issued documentation. We will not stand by while our families are dismantled. This declaration is just the beginning of a larger infrastructure of freedmen-led protection, self-determination, and cultural jurisdiction.